All right,
well,
man.
You ready?
I think so.
It's been a long time coming.
It's only been like 3 years.
Yeah, I know.
Ball.
Oh.
All right.
Here she is.
Oh my God. Holy no way. Is this real?
This is real. You picture something.
Man, I can't believe it. I didn't think it was gonna be this low.
Oh, dude, it's low.
I'm so stoked. Holy shit. All right.
We're gonna have to raise her up before you can rip it.
Yeah, a lot.
I mean, she's all max low and dumped, so. I'll hit the
My
lights,
goodness. It's a nice touch. Thank you, Dan. I think Dan designed that.
He designed the thing.
Dan did a lot, man. Dan did all the billet design work. Dan did the carbon work with me, or I did it with him, honestly.
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
Phrasing.
Hey,
Words matter.
words do matter.
Oh, my goodness. All right, guys. I'm sitting in it.
Do it. It's
Here,
your
pop
car.
these lights.
Your wheel pops up. So.
Oh, yeah. Dude, that's so light with the different door card.
Yep.
Dude, this is sick. I'm stoked.
I think we have it to skyscraper height.
I ride pretty, man,
Like a glove?
yeah. This is crazy, dudes.
The gearbox is aggressive. The clutch is a light switch.
is a light switch.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's either on or off.
That's how Jeff is, too, but not as bad, probably.
This one, I mean, it drives okay, but.
Yeah.
Whew.
So that one that is turning your lights on in the rear.
Yeah.
The one up front turns the lights on in the catch can area.
Okay.
That's the blower. That's the, yep.
Lights up front for the catch can and your floorboards.
Oh, my goodness.
This other one is your NOS purge. Yep. So that's just a controller for the Type S's. And
These are comfortable seats, too.
Yeah, they're great seats, man.
You guys did amazing work.
Thank you.
I'm having a hard time putting it into words.
that's how we've been every day.
Yeah. You guys killed it. Hey, just so you guys know, if there's a car show you want me at, I'm winning it.
The Import Alliance wants you like so serious.
Where is that?
It's in Atlanta in May.
Oh,
Yeah.
we'll see about that.
Yeah. But they were like, dude, I don't care what it takes to get that car out there. I was like, okay, you got to talk to Brad.
Yeah, do the connection and we'll sort it
We've
out.
got some major filming going to be happening over the next couple of days.
I'm so stoked.
We're excited, man.
It's just mind blowing. Like, I honestly can't. I don't know. I don't know. You guys killed it. You did such a good job.
Wait until she's turned up.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That turbo's so small. The one that I've got on my other 32.
I know.
Yeah.
We'll see how she
No,
goes.
I mean,
Herman says that one will make over 1,000 without breaking a sweat.
Yeah, and that's
So,
all I want.
we're good.
And honestly, like, I think this car is going to live at like 700 to 800 horsepower.
So I think with the
Except for
TrueFlex,
when there's Lambos out cruising.
Yeah.
TrueFlex fuel setup, I mean, I think we'll be easily 800 horsepower on probably
like,
18, 20
yep,
pounds.
yep.
And then we can go max 30 on full E.
Hell yeah.
And with nitrous and probably be at 12 to 1,400 horse. So. And she'll take every bit of it.
Stradman, I'm coming for you. I call out Stradman every chance I get. Because he's local.
Yeah, he is pretty local.
Man.
Oh man, glad we could capture your first
Yes,
reaction, man.
thank you. This is this doesn't make sense. Yeah, it needs a PPF.
For sure.
For sure.
We didn't code it at all because we knew that it was going to wind up getting
Yeah,
so.
If you want to sponsor me, PPF companies, get at me. It costs $14,000 to do the 34. Because they don't make a kit for it. So
they
it
gotta
has to
do
be
it
like
all, yeah.
handmade.
Yeah, all the titanium, the anodizing, like watching this dude do mad scientist
dude.
stuff, man, like
It's my
Blows my
favorite
mind.
when like someone comes up and like, dude, these welds. I'm like, he was like 19 when he did that. They're like, what? I'm like, yeah, I'm 22 now. He's a genius. Oh, you were 20.
I was 20.
You weren't 19. You
yeah.
were 20. Man, I love the
oh yeah.
The shade.
That's
just
been
the
a-
one piece.
It's been a huge hit. People are seeing it and don't even realize what
Yeah.
they're looking at.
Yeah.
You know. So,
Oh,
yeah.
whoever that is sorry about the cuss words. I haven't even like looked at the wheels yet.
Oh no, there's so much
Look
more.
at these wheels, Sam.
Brembo stopped by a little while ago. and
19
was-
by 12.
You know, yeah, they were admiring. Yeah, she's max low in the front, and she's definitely max low in the rear. You can see that tuck.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. I can't believe I got to sit in this car just now. Like,
Wait till you.
I drove it I drove it in 2019 in October. So it's been just over 3 years since since I drove it last. Man.
Well, there's only 2 people on the planet that have driven it so far. And it's just us 2. You know.
Hell yeah.
We got footage of it driving in, so.
I saw. That's so cool.
But yeah, we're ready to toss you the keys and let you do your thing, man.
I mean, when it's ready.
That's it.
Did I bring it? Last year, Sakamoto-san gave me a keychain.
Dude, he came by and was borderline tear.
Good.
He said better than my car. I'm like,
look, I know it is. I love you, but it is mainly because it's mine, Sakamoto-san.
But yeah, we loved him.
Dude,
he hung
these
out.
garage active mirrors are so sweet. I bet you don't see shit out of them.
they're better than Ganadors.
Oh, good.
I think you can see better out of those than Ganadors.
So, yeah, I've got the Ganadors on my 3.2, and these rear view is better.
It's weird. There's a key start. You guys did everything else.
No,
Like,
well, that's just to power it
that's
up.
just to power
really?
it up, and then you can see on the
Everything's on the
keypad
cam
there's a starter button.
Oh, sick.
So if you go to full start on the key, it does nothing. It's just
man.
the safety to power everything up, and it's your emergency shutdown.
That way you still have a key.
Yeah. Man, and the Alcantara hood.
That's his. We're the builder.
I haven't seen it in 3 years.
Dude.
It took them 3 years to build it.
Come on.
This is the first time I've seen it. Like,
Really?
Yeah.
Oh man, you gotta be out of your mind right now.
Yeah, it's so crazy. Can I see the tail lights, please?
Oh yeah, you got keys there?
So the battery's a little low.
That's fine.
They'll come on. They'll come on.
Oh, woo! Yes. Oh,
They're powering out on us. Come on now.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
They told us we couldn't have power hooked up. There's a plug right behind your license.
All you do is plug in an extension cord in it.
I'm killing it. That is amazing.
Or if you're ripping it and you don't want nobody knowing what your license plate says, you know.
That's the old midnight club style.
You rode around in the 33 with a driver plate forever.
Forever. But that was COVID days. Like,
Oh yeah. She is a sinister machine, man. It gives me really like solid Batmobile vibes.
I'm gonna
Yeah.
grab art.
No, it's so nasty. Like, I'm really excited to drive that sequential.
It is better to me than a Samsonis.
Yeah.
But this one is violently
Yeah.
rowdy.
Hell yeah. Well, I'm just excited because those of you that don't know, I bought Jeff Scheimer's car, and it's got a Samsonis in it. One of my buddies has a PPG that we're just gonna go back to back to back and just see what's what. But this thing is.
Well, so to get to neutral, you've got to be in first, and like the Samsonas, you go forward for neutral.
Yeah.
This one you got to pull over.
You're
And then
going
go
first
up
in
into
the
first, and that's
H
neutral. And then once you're in neutral, you just go forward one more time, and then you're in reverse. So it's pretty cool.
Well-
It's all factory GTR linkage. So if you need a short shifter or something,
It's right there.
Yeah, you can just buy a factory link.
We threw a Tomei Billet knob on there,
Hell yeah.
but the PRP one showed up today.
Today?
At Cyber, so
Yeah, so it's kind of,
That's fine.
they had to make it to order for us. So Herman at PRP hooked it up.
Is Herman here today? Is he coming?
He's not here.
Herman's
us.
Man, real quick, Andrew from HP Academy, you are the smartest man I've ever seen do videos. Like, it's funny when he asks questions, they're so detailed, the dude's like, where do I start with this question? Like, it's gonna take me, like, till Thursday to take this all in.
I think Josh and I are jaded at this point.
Probably. I mean, it's like when we go into the shop and there's my 32, 33, 34, and 35, they're all just like chilling. I'm like, it's Monday, Then every once in a while I walk out, I'm like, holy shit, it's all of these cars. Last year somebody offered me $800,000 for the 34, and I said no. It would take way more than that for this. But,
Well, the whole carbon one appraised for 1.3.
yeah, and
So-
that thing's sick. But this is so insane.
I think this is the Godzilla to rule them all. Man.
No, I agree.
I stand by my original comment. This is the baddest GTR on the planet.
I agree. You guys don't understand.
It sucks. They don't have.
I've been a really big nervous wreck for the last
They don't make center cap.
4 weeks because this is real down to the wire. But thank you guys for everything you did.
Wrapping up day one.
Nuts.
Surprised I got a voice. My goodness, what a freaking day, man. So
You got a.
I got to meet two of my most favorite people, man. Andre from HP Academy came in and talked with us for a bit, interviewed me on Rival32. I kind of felt bad because I thought Devin and I both were going to get to talk at the same time.
That's okay, bro. Spread the love.
But obviously had to talk about Driver Motorsports crew and the work that we do. But that to me was like unreal because I listened to this man's podcast. We're going to that thing over there, that big building. I listened to that man's podcast. I subscribe to pretty much every channel that they have. I consider myself an HPA Academy graduate, where I'm a lifetime gold member, and I spent a lot of time either using their stuff to learn new tricks of the trade or to reinforce the knowledge that I already have. And they're already talking about coming back and doing an interview to kind of like, co-sign on how awesome their products are. And we at Driver Motorsports are kind of being, selected to publish their links. So when we talk about stuff that relates to their training, you use our affiliate link, and you get money off on your training. So that's freaking awesome. But those guys are legit. And then not to mention, Motive DVD is coming to do a feature on the car. So we got to meet and talk with Andrew Hawkins, and that dude is a legend, an absolute idol. We love what they're doing as far as the Australian GTR scene, and I can't tell you how much we've learned by watching his channel and being able to talk to him. And then
so many idols. Like, I met Hunter Rutledge. Like, I never thought I'd see him, and
yeah,
I mean, dude, it's insane.
yeah.
And
Well,
I can't put the words in. Like,
well, I don't know. I mean, like I said, we talked to so many people today. It's almost like mind numbing, and I know my voice is going to be strained with the amount of talking that we were doing.
we're gonna need some chapstick, dude.
I definitely need some chapstick, man. Hey, look, it's 35. Ooh, another one. There's two more. Well, that's pretty neat. Is that Liberty Walk? Oh, it's a Lexus. Oh, it's Genesis. That was neat. But yeah, oh man, so much going on. The Hoonigan guys came by to hang out. We're gonna go to that awning over there. Hoonigan guys came by, and dude, I mean, Larry Chan came by and did some photos.
Oh yeah, I got pictures.
I freaking missed it. So I texted him last night via Instagram, and he hearted my message because he was doing a shoot with the all carbon, garage active car, and so he hearted my message, and then he came by, and I wasn't there to friggin' see him. So that sucks.
I got a picture. Insert picture here.
Insert picture here, Cody. Yeah, Larry Chan, come back, dude. Come back.
He hiked a mile, and then we stood for 10 hours.
For 10 hours, talking.
12 hours.
Oh my God.
7 o'clock
Yeah, it's 7 o'clock almost, yeah. So, yeah, I mean, what a day, dude. What a freaking day.
Do it tomorrow.
Doing it again.